Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Arya and I will bring everyday news for all of you. Yesterday, 1,95,882 new corona cases were reported over India. Total number of active cases was 24.98 lakhs. Yesterday, total vaccination in India crossed 20 crore mark. This was achieved in 130 days from the first day of vaccine, while US took 124 days to reach this 20 crore mark. Still, 4 states which account for more than 50% of the cases are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka and West Bengal. Yesterday in Mumbai, 1,352 new corona cases were reported. There is continuing decline in new cases due to continuing lockdown in Mumbai. To mitigate the impact of the pandemic, the second wave of which has seen unprecedented loss of lives and livelihood, Uday Kotak, President of Confederation of Indian Industries, that is CII, and leading industry voice, has called for a strong fiscal support measures from the government, from income support to individuals, and additional emergency credit line guarantee scheme for stressed MSME sector. Bombay High Court recently directed the central government to consider and respond to a plea by hotel and restaurant owners in the state seeking relief, including extension of moratorium period for the loans in light of the business coming to standstill due to COVID-19 crisis. Cyclone Yas, packing winds of up to 130 to 145 km per hour passed eastern coast on Wednesday, dumping heavy rain, damaging houses and farmland, and 4 persons died. Vehicle waiting in queue beyond 100 meters from the toll plaza will be allowed to pass through without paying toll fee as per National Highway Authority of India, that is NHAI. If there is a queue beyond 100 meters due to some reason, the vehicle will be allowed to pass through till the queue comes within 100 meter length from the toll plaza booth. It may be very difficult to implement this policy decision. Only future will show how this policy is implemented. Yesterday, Indian stock market continued its further incline and BSE Sensex closed 380 points above the previous day closed and closed at 51,018. That means BSE Sensex crossed 51,000 mark yesterday. $1 was equal to 72.78 rupees. Manappuram Finance, one of the leading gold finance company, reported 18% increase in consolidated net profit in the last quarter of 2021. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.